Now we got this pond we're doing today. Getting all the leaves and mildew and all the nasty stuff out of it. We're going to leave the boulders above the water line with moss on it. The customer wants to leave it kind of a natural look here. Now we got the big pond down there, and then we got this little section up here, the spillway, where it comes around. Comes up here. And then that's the waterfall area there where the pump pushes the water down. So we'll clean all this up. Get all these leaves out of here, all the mildew, all the moss. I've already taken out about 10 or 15 gallons worth of wet leaves. All right, so here we are. We're about halfway done here. Got the spillway all cleared out. Got this upper pool cleaned out for the most part. All the waterway areas nice and pressure washed. Still got a little bit of standing water in there, but we'll get that out when we set up the pump to start flowing water down the spillway. The customer wanted everything above the water line to stay natural, so we left all that there. Pressure washed everything kind of below the water line. So we got it going down here to the pool here. And then it goes into this little middle spillway, and then it goes into the lower pond down there, which I'm clearing out now with the pump running with fresh water flowing in. We got a lot of the rocks around here and a lot of the bottom area nice and pressure washed out. So we're almost there. We're getting there. I always like to do a little something extra for my customers. So while the pond's filling up so I can drain it down and get all the dirty water out of it, I told my customer that I would go ahead and clean off his rock slab picnic table that he has here. As you can see, it's real dirty. Got a bunch of moss all over it. Just a little something. Clean it up a little bit while I'm waiting for the pond to fill up. There we go. Much cleaner, much better. Nice and bright. Table looks nice and clean, ready for some cookouts. Get the family around here, have a little picnic. All right, here we go. Now the waterfall flowing, spillover pool's nice and clean. Water's going over the top here. Coming down into the main pool here. Still got a little bit of filling up to do, but as you can see, everything below where the water line's gonna be, nice and cleaned out. All the algae underneath where the water will be is all clear. Concrete's nice and clean. Pipes are flowing good, water's flowing really good. Nice little waterfall area.